Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a review between the three, which are Three.js versus Spline versus Babylon.js. Hello everyone, so if you're deciding between the Three.js versus Spline versus Babylon, then those three really comes down to whether you want flexibility, ease of use, or a full-featured engine. So first up is the Three.js. This one right here is the most popular JavaScript 3D library. With its lightweight and highly customizable feature, it is perfect for developers who want fine control over WebGL with a massive ecosystem and community support. Next up is Spline. Spline is a no-code, low-code design tool built on Three.js, letting you quickly create interactive 3D experiences without diving into code, which is ideal for designers or teams that prioritize speeds and visual over deep customization. Meanwhile, the Babylon JS, lastly, is that it positions itself as a complete 3D game engine for the web with physics, animation, advanced rendering, and even XR support built in, making it the go-to for production grade applications and games. So the short verdict for this is that Three.js is best if you want flexibility, Spline is for those who want simplicity, and lastly, Babylon is for those who need a full engine with all the bells and whistles.